Hey guys, I signed up for Noise a couple of months ago. Actually, it was last year. I started taking it serious the last couple of months, and I've had a lot of fun with it and really enjoyed it. For those of you that are new to Noise, some tips that I would give you is to start off slow and do the slideshow post. Once you get comfortable doing those slideshow posts with different brands, then maybe you can progress to doing the standard videos that you can do for like Noise and different brands to make money. But as far as creation goes, like, don't overthink it whatsoever. Like, do not overthink it. Like, I'm using as much B-roll footage as possible, and really, B-roll footage should just be your standard for this. Like, and what I mean by B-roll footage, like, you could literally be watering the grass, washing dishes, making a pizza, um, just taking a walk, whatever the video needs to be. Uh, and like I said, B-roll footage is your friend. Um, Time wise, like on your video, the shorter the better. But I will tell you that most of my videos that I'm having a lot of success on are around between the 7 second mark. So 5 and 7 second is right now is my standard that I'm trying to do for just any video that I'm doing for a brand. Um, these are just some tips and tricks that are working for me, guys. Um, I'm not saying that I'm like the Noise guru or anything. I'm just giving you guys some helpful hints. Like I said, B-roll footage is your friend. Take your time learning, you know, through the app, just learning how to make a post. Like I said, I would start with the slideshow, the carousel type of post, with the pictures. The thing is that's so great about Noise is that it's done for you content. So you don't have to come up with the concept. You don't have to come up with the caption. You don't have to come up with the description. You don't have to come up with the hashtags. I'm at a point right now that I'm kind of tweaking with the captions. I'm kind of tweaking with hashtags, but I'm not recommending that for you guys to do that. I've been doing this now, comfortably for a little bit, but um, to garner views on TikTok, some of the hashtagging and some of the key phrases, description posts, they could be a little bit more descriptive sometimes. Sometimes they're a little vague for TikTok and their standards. So, but guys, listen, this is a super easy app to make money on. If you're not already posting for Noise, get in there, guys. You can check out my bio, guys, my bio. And there's a code in there that you can use, guys, and it'll give you $10 once you make I believe, your first post. You'll get automatic $10, and then from there, guys, the sky's the limit. Like, once you learn how to post within Noise, the sky's the limit. The last weekend, or maybe it was like 2 weekends ago, when they released the Star Wars posts. Man, I mean, that weekend was killer for me. I did just around 8 posts over the course of that weekend, and I did around $50. And that was just messing around with posts that was made already, like, done for you content, and all I had to do was just create some sort of B-roll footage, and there you go. And I made like $50 just over a weekend, just throwing up posts. I do that anyway on my regular pages. So, guys, I really appreciate all the follows on this page, and I'll try to release these type of videos more to kind of help you guys out. Y'all have a blessed day. Take care and enjoy Noise.